Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the simple DIY projects for students that are fun and useful. Watch till the end to find our best recommendations from the list. Our list begins with 4M Crystal Growing Experiment. Are you looking to improve your students' curiosity with fun STEM kits that provide accessible, hands-on experiments? If yes, consider the 4M Crystal Growing Experiment Kit. It teaches students about the intricacy and beauty of crystal growth with stunning outcomes. With the 4M Crystal Growing Experiment, you can teach the students geology and chemistry principles while providing them with real, excellent crystals they can keep. The 4M Crystal Growing Experiment Kit has the necessary resources to conduct several different crystal growth experiments. It is ideal for young aspiring science enthusiasts, particularly the ones with an interest in geology. The 4M Crystal Growing Experiment is appropriate for students age 10 and above. 97 PCS Magnetic Racetrack Magnet Tiles Road Set. Magnet Racetrack is ideal because it is designed with 97 components that help the students create a multi-layered road system. The compatibility with other magnetic block brands makes it suitable for building bigger city landscapes and roads, improving the students' play experience. Also included in this kit is an array of road components, such as a large LED car and traffic signs, that help students memorize the basic traffic rules and use their imagination to design their city worlds. Playing with this toolkit can improve hand-eye coordination and motor skills. It also enhances problem solving, creativity, observation, patience, spatial recognition, and logical thinking at an early age. The magnetic racetrack is appropriate for students between ages 3 and 10. STEM 13-in-1 Education Solar Power Robots. The STEM 13-in-1 Education Solar Power Robots is a powerful tool for introducing students to robotics, solar energy, and engineering principles. Included in the kit are components required to design up to 13 different models of robots, ranging from automotive to animals. The robots are solar-powered and can sensitize students to renewable energy sources. All the varied parts of the solar robot are made from non-toxic materials, ensuring the student's safety. It is appropriate for students between ages 8 and 12. Which is the best? STEM 13-in-1 Education Solar Power Robots is the best DIY projects for students since it introduces them to solar energy, engineering, and robotics. It is the best STEM robot kit to accelerate students' creativity and imagination from basic to complex levels, testing their hands-on capability and problem solving. Thanks for watching.